Alright, so now we're going to look at the interior of this car hauler. So extremely wide opening, one of the largest door opening in the industry. Over here on this side we also have this large window. The bottom third of it is a tilt out. On the door, really nice quality, soft touch panels. This is also a door handle, so it's not just a pocket, it's a structural door handle, so you can actually put all your weight on it. Not really necessary on a car because they're pretty low, but you know, when the trucks are tall, it comes handy. Good access, good safety with the handles. We have beautiful seats. West Star seats are amazing. They are really wide, really soft. This one is heated and cooled. And then just down here you have your battery shut-off switch for storage. Keys on this side is pretty handy. You got your headlights over here, and then this one has the digital panel. As you see, it's the same panels you see on Mercedes-Benz, same design, with your soft touch controls on the steering wheel. So this control over here controls this panel, this control over here controls this panel over here. We have our switches here. Switches are on right now because I put the strobes on, put the load lights on, so you see it's illuminated. EPTO is right here. Your truck PTO for the hydraulic is right there. And then over here you have your overlift, interaxle, sliding fifth wheel, and then air dump. Over here you'll have traction control, rock out. This is nice, simulates a manual transmission. If you're stuck in a rut, you can kind of rock the truck even though you're in drive on the transmission or in reverse. And then all your lights. Over here, the seats, I was telling you, diamond ultra leather seats with embroidered Western Star. Both seats are the same. This truck was cut by Fontaine to 101 inches to the top of the cab, all flat. CB mount, ram mount. All your fuses are behind this panel, which it's a one-hand operation where you can take the panel out. This is your cab air filter that you can take out right there. And then these here are all your fuses and relays. These are your spare fuses, spare relays on the bottom, and then what's what. We try to keep all the electronics inside and out of the elements. So all our SAM cab, chassis SAM, all that, chassis module, everything is here behind that dash. This is steel. And then as we go around, here's the sleeper. So we have our super insulated sleeper, flat screen TV mount, and then down here I got a plate over here to put a fridge. You can strap down with this, and then your plugs are here, AC and DC. And then over here, your bunk heater, your inverter control, your auxiliary HVAC controls. This is your mechanism for the tilt window, very easily done, really smooth. It's really quality stuff. Here is our coat hanger closet right here, little table, and then tiny storage down there. These curtains are insulated curtains. If you want to use optimize idle, it can preserve the temperature in the sleeper. You use this as a thermostat. So if you go here, fan on means the system's on. Temperature up here, 12 o'clock is 70 degrees. Every notch is 1 degree more, 1 degree less. And that's how you set the temperature in the sleeper. And then the truck's gonna adjust to that. If you engage optimize idle in comfort mode, the engine's gonna idle until it reaches that temperature, 70 degrees for instance, in summer or in winter. and as soon as it deviates from that, the truck will start itself again, run the AC with the heater, reach 70 degrees and stop. It does also that to preserve batteries and the engine temperature, so if it's really cold outside, it'll allow you to start the truck. As you can see, there's a lot of room in between the seats. This cab is really huge, like 1 foot, 2 foot, 2 foot and a half. Here we have a little blowout kit, factory installed. And then this panel is very easy to put back, so I'm one-handed, but you can see here. It's a clip-on, and that's it. It's back on. So no tools needed. That's our cab. Thank you.